Hey, what's up, my friend? Man, I miss saying that because these videos actually they're all done separately and then stitched up together. Because if I were to say hey at the start of every section, right, you're gonna get irritated by me. So anyway, welcome back. In this section, you will learn the different types of forex traders, and let me explain. So there are different types of forex traders out there. You can classify them as short-term traders, medium-term traders, and long-term traders. So let's analyze, what are the differences, right, between these type of traders. Number one, short-term traders. So for short-term traders, right, your time frame is usually below the 1 hour time frame. You will likely operate on a 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. Your potential target in terms of pips, right, you're usually aiming anywhere between 5 to 50 pips. And your holding time, it's usually less than 3 days. And one thing to share is that whatever I'm sharing with you is just general guideline. It's not really cast in stone, because short-term traders, there are some really short-term traders like scalpers who can be in the trade for just a few minutes. And then you have some short-term traders which are slightly longer, which could be under day traders where they could hold their trade for a day or two. So what I'm sharing here is just a general guideline, right, to take into consideration. Next one, medium-term traders. So these are the type of traders who trade between the 1 and 4 hour time frame. Their potential target is usually anywhere between 50 to 200 pips, and they can hold their trades anywhere between 3 to 10 days. And finally, you have the long-term trader who trades, right, in the 4 hour time frame and above. Could be the 4 hour, 8 hour daily, or even the weekly time frame. Then their potential target is usually, more than 200 pips on each trade that they are aiming for. And they can hold their trades, for 10 days or more, weeks or even months. So a super quick recap. This is a fast section, right? So you have short-term traders, medium-term traders, and long-term trader. And personally for me, I'm a medium to long-term trader. So the key here, right, to share with you is to get you to understand the different type of trading time frames that you can be on, and to find a type of trading style that suits you. Are you more towards short-term trading, medium-term trading, or long-term trading? And the only way to find out is through trial and error, right? Trading across the different time frames to see what works for you. And also another thing is time commitment plays a part, because if you have a full-time job, it's unlikely that you can be a short-term trader, because you just can't afford to be glued in front of the screen, right, all day to watch the markets while having a full-time job. So probably I would say medium-term to long-term trading would suit you best. But on the other hand, let's say you are someone who is very free, you have a lot of time, and you have interest in short-term day trading, then maybe that is something for you. But ultimately, you have to explore, experiment, trial and error to see which type of trading approach would suit you.